What's up, everybody? This your girl Tanya. Welcome back to my channel. I'm doing this a little bit different today, so I hope you guys like it. I'm not feeling very well. I had to stay my butt home, but I know I had to get this done of the Boxycharm. I'll leave everything down below in the subscription box, so let's get continue. For my November, or should I say December subscription. Tease the Season. That's a nice card. And I'm going to let you know the retail price of each item that's in this box. Let's see. We got the Wonder Beauty Dusk to Dawn. It's a blush and highlight palette. Let's see if I can get it up this box. There we go. It's a nice little pretty palette. It really is. I'm doing this with one hand. I love it that it has a mirror. I'll take it that the middle one must be a blush, and the other two must be highlighters. Because it is a blush and highlighter palette. It's a pretty palette. Very cute. And that palette retails $26. Then we move on to the Luscious Angel Eyes. This is an eyeshadow primer base, and that retails for $14. $14. Full size, 14. And now we have the Tarte Shimmering Lip Paint. Color is this. Insta Famous. That's what this look like. I love Tarte products. I really am. I'm a big fan of the Tarte products. And that Tarte lip glitter lip paint retails for the price of $20. For Insta Famous. I want to see what this look like out the package. Pretty. And that retails for $20. Let's see. I've seen them talking about lip products, but this is not a lip product. This is a black eyeliner. The Joint Blue eyeliner, or should I say glittering star eyeliner, retails for the price of $5. So I got that as well, if you don't get no lip product. Let's see. Last but least, please excuse the background. My fiance, he's playing a game. The last but not least is the Protégé palette. Suave Beauty Protégé palette. And this palette retails for the price of $34. Oh, wow, that's pretty. Oh, I could have some fun with this palette. That is so pretty. I see 2 matte shadows, 2 shimmers, and the rest of them is like metallic. The other 2 is like metallic. And actually, there's a lot of shimmery shadows in here, actually. But these 2 right here has like less of a shimmer from this one, and this one. It got like it has a little matte in it, but This got some shimmers on it too. I'm happy that it has a mirror. I love mirrors on my palette. Once again, Boxycharm did me justice. You can subscribe to them for $21 and some change. And I hope you like, subscribe to my channel. And have a nice day. Bye, you guys.